Hi, in this short video I want to show you how we built an Argentine style barbecue from full-sized bricks.
We hauled all materials and mixed our mortar to a thick peanut butter consistency. After laying out the area, we started installing the first row of bricks. We carefully added mortar in between the bricks so we can rake them out later. Also started erecting a small wall adjacent to the Argentinian grill. We used the level as a straight edge and leveled each course. We built the base to a rectangular shape and kept installing each course with M-type mortar mix. It started raining, so we had to pick up the pace. We got wet but had to continue the work since wintertime it gets dark early afternoon in Florida. When the storm passed, we mixed concrete and poured the inside of the barbecue solid. The concrete was the bottom of our firebox we built from the fire bricks. When we reached the required height for the opening, we started laying the side and back walls only, leaving the space on the front of the barbecue open. At 5 feet in height, we started cobbling the bricks inward to create a stepped look on the top. We raked out the rest of the bricks while I was laying the last bricks on the side wall. We elevated the 4 corners with 2 rows of bricks and added a 1-inch thick natural flagstone cap on the top for a uniform finish. We had about an hour setback from the rain, so we finished in the dark. I tried to shoot better clips of the outcome, but this is what I could get in the dark. We built all this in a day and added 1 more small sidewall on the right side of the barbecue.
I hope you learned something new in this short video, and I just wanted to let you know that we manufacture all the stone and brick veneers that you might need for any Argentine barbecue. And if you live in the South Florida area, just give us a call and then we can give you a free price quote on building your Argentine style barbecue.